And here she is. Kitchen darling, look. 3 minutes matter. And we'll be done. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Oh, so alright guys, as I say, it's gonna be quite a video. Title it's making me very nervous. And my last lagera tala comments have been disabled go this video ma taki you can just give us attention here. You've seen me go through so many things in life, and finally as I say, I am revealing someone very important. जो चाहिँ यहाँ अहिले यो बक्समा हुनुहुन्छ. अब यो कुरा गर्न पर्दाखेरि it's about love, and love is a very beautiful thing. And love now. Background music. Thank you, Ajay, for making this special. In fact, it is, I think, perhaps one of the most special videos, messages Maldin Lago. Finally, it's one of them weird feel where I think I need to do this because you guys are very close to me. Love is something that's very beautiful, and love ma porno bhaneko I think it's just magical. It makes you feel a lot of things. Talking about myself, I've had the opportunity of having really good relationships in my life. Some didn't work out, people change, agadi बढ्छ मान्छे, तर एकदम राम्रो relationsहरुमा हुन पाथे. That's why I am what I am today. But this person that I'm really revealing here is the love of my life. And since we're so close and everything, reveal गर्नु नै थियो, I am doing it in the most stupid way. And I've got her in the box. She's as crazy as I am. And we finally and she said like, it's cool, let's do it. And I just want you to know that our normal Nepal relationships it might certain percentage the negative this is happening, without further ado, I think I'm gonna reveal that special person. Nervous for us guys, so please bear with me. Zoom pani gardinu. God, I can't believe I'm making this video. It's too डर लागिरहेछ मलाई. And here she is.
Hi guys, what's up? Oh my God, it's so hot in here. Can you help me out, Sisan?
Oh really?
Hi guys, what's up? Thank you, Sisan. Oh my God, it's so hot in here.
Here she is.
So it's been about 7 years since we have gotten into a relationship. See how much she loves me. Oh my God, Sisan, I love you too, Sisan. But wait, camera go again now. I love him and he loves me, and relationship, it should not be taken negatively in Nepal society. Some people are like, oh my God, they don't even give people to have their private life. What the fuck is that? I'm so angry right now. I'm so angry. Yeah.
So here she is, guys.
Yeah.
And I think we'll make a really nice.
Yeah. I'm so lucky to have found him. He also does vlog. I also have my YouTube channel. I also do that.
Subscribe to our channel. I'll link it down below.
Thank you very much, Shishan.
Romantic, extra romantic way, Nami.
Sure, why not?
You got it, Hassan.
You got it. So let's go. Come. Can you help me out here as well? You're my king. Thank you. Come on.
Oh wow. Oh.
Hand I love this style.
I'm gonna come as well. Yeah. Let's go.
Bye bye.
Mod game. Thanks.
No, man.
Mod game.
Sorry,
Mod game.
कस्तो गर्मी यो भित्र टी-सर्ट लगायो ल्याङ भएछ टी-सर्ट